Jeff, this is Brittany. I promised Sue that I would send your company a video, and you're probably wondering why I'm sending it. Well, I realized recently that small business owners are so busy taking care of their customers and running their own business that they don't have enough time to learn about how to get more customers in the door. And the only thing stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. Some people will take this information I give them and do it themselves, which is totally cool, and some people will come to me. This is just an educational video to you to help you guys out, and this is an attack plan that you guys can do yourself. So I'm going to be going over 3 things today. I'm going to be going over content, backlinks, and citations. So first, I'm going to go over the content on your homepage of your business, Concept Flooring Incorporated, and right now looking for the number of words that you guys have on your homepage. You have a lot of good content. I like the way this is structured. It's really pretty. Looks like you guys probably have around 13 to 1400 words, which that's really good. So we do recommend 1500 to 2000 words, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed on the front page. The reason for this is content is king and will give you more authority with Google. So you definitely want to have more content in there, along with some keywords. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So for example, I went ahead and I typed in the top of Google search results, floor installation Atlanta, Georgia. This is a great buyer intent keyword because it is service specific and location specific. I'm looking for floor installation in Atlanta, Georgia. First thing that pops up on the Google search results are these Google Guaranteed local ads. These are really good for specific cities to bring in high conversion rates, and they have around a conversion rate of 30 to 50% from our data that we have collected. Below that is something called the Google Map Pack here, and 30% of consumers will choose one of these 3 businesses at the top of this to do their business, and below that we have the organic search results. Now 60 to 70% of consumers will choose one of these businesses on the front page of Google to perform their service. And I was looking for a local business, and what comes up a lot of the time is directories like Houzz and Angie. That's totally normal. But the first company that pops up organically first is David's Hardwood Flooring for this keyword, floor installation in Atlanta, Georgia. I went ahead and popped them up here. And looking at their content, they have around, looks like 500 words or so. You guys definitely have more words than they do, which is great. You guys are doing some good things. But they are beating you, and I want to show you why. So, looking at this page here, this is called Ahrefs. This is a page program that I like to use to compare and research what a website is doing well and what a website needs work on, and it's also just good to compare and analyze. So, looking at your competition, David's Hardwood Flooring, looking at these 2 numbers here, this is a DR rating and this is a UR rating. A DR rating is essentially a power rating, and a UR rating is essentially a trust rating. And both of these things are raised by something called a backlink. These are really strong ratings, and the closer they are in the same number, the better. So looking at the backlinks, first, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website, pointing to you, so it's literally like a popularity contest. So they have 192 referring domains pointing to 1.51 or 1500 backlinks. And looking at yours, you guys have 143 referring domains looking to 1.56 or a little over 1500 backlinks. So even though you guys have more backlinks than they do, I was looking at the analysis of the backlinks that you guys have, and there are some spammy backlinks that you guys have. You definitely want to focus more on quality backlinks to strengthen your trust and power ratings here. And doing that, you will want to also use backlinks that are industry specific with your services and that are from local businesses. Those will be the ones that work best. So definitely want some more quality backlinks as well, and more referring domains than your competitor here. So we've gone over 2 things so far, content and backlinks. Last thing I want to go over is citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business Profile, and citations help you rank in the map pack I showed you earlier on our search result here. And this is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. And citations include directories like Yelp, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, even the ones that we found at the top of the search result there. There's tons of other citations that you guys can use. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So once Google sees you guys more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you'll rank above them. So we've gone over 3 things. We've gone over content, backlinks, and citations. Last thing I wanted to note are your keywords. So right now you guys are ranking for 440 keywords. When I was looking into this though, a lot of them are not buyer intent keywords. You do want to have keywords that are location and service specific. Your competitor has 870 keywords, and they do have some really good high quality keywords that I wanted to show you guys. So looking at these are awesome examples of keywords that you do want to rank for and that you do want to have in your content, such as refinishing hardwood floors Atlanta. Your competition is currently ranking in the 3rd position for that on Google, and there's a pretty good volume for that. 350 people per month are searching for that. Another good one, hardwood floor refinishing Atlanta. 300 people are looking for this, and your competitor's ranking for position 5 on that keyword. Even though these are slightly different keywords, Google does see them as completely different. So these are 2 separate searches, even though they are similar. And there's a bunch of other great ones here. Hardwood flooring Atlanta has 300 searches a month. Carpet installation Atlanta has 300 as well. Hardwood flooring installation 150. Wood floor refinishing 40. There is a ton of these searches that are just all over the place. So, and adding these all up, there's like thousands of people looking for flooring services in Atlanta alone. So you guys definitely want to be ranking for those. And with that being said, with those 3 things all together, with your content and those keywords that you can rank for, with getting better high quality backlinks and more referring domains for those backlinks, you guys will be able to get more traffic in the door. Your competition currently has 447 traffic coming in, and you guys have 102. So you guys are missing out on a lot of that keyword volume and a lot of that potential traffic that could be coming to your website. So I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content and how to strengthen your online presence. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for your time.